Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are very fine, though you are passing very hard time now due to COVID-19 all over the world. But yet you have to be with your usual activities, that is class activities. So, in spite of very dangerous time, we are trying our best to help you with your studies. So I am here to conduct a class for you on English second paper, topic clearing unclear pronoun reference from your book. I am Iqbal Hussain, lecturer of English, Bandarband Cantonment Public School and College. So, dear students, let us get started with our topic. As you see on the board behind me, to this topic you see clearing unclear pronoun references. Or you can write it also identifying unclear pronoun references and clearing them. Before starting this topic, let me make it clear to you what clearing unclear pronoun references mean. Please look at the following line here. Here I have written two lines on the board. Let us read the first line. Hassan is a doctor and she is a kind person. Here it is a line. If you notice here, Hassan is a masculine gender. It refers to a man, not a woman. So, the pronoun which I have used here for Hassan is not a masculine gender, but it's a pronoun of feminine gender. So, this pronoun she does not refer to Hassan, the subject of the sentence. So, if I am to clear this pronoun, then I have to use here a masculine pronoun. So, let us do it. If I write it off as now, this is a masculine pronoun. Now, this pronoun refers to Hassan. This pronoun matches with the subject of the sentence Hassan. Now it's clear. In sentence number 2, Hassan and Karim are friends and he helped one another. Let's see here. The subject, there are two subjects in the sentences. So, the pronoun should be plural, but I have used here a singular pronoun. So, this pronoun doesn't match with the subjects of the sentence. So, if I write it like this, they help one another. Now, this pronoun is clear because it refers to the plural subject of the sentence. Now, let us look at the phrase one another. Dear students, one another, the phrase is used when there are more than two persons. But when there are only two persons, we use each other. So, this pronoun doesn't match with the subject. That means it is not clear. We have to clear it. We have identified the pronoun and we have to clear it. What can we write? We can write each other. Yes. Now, this one is clear. So, by the time I am sure, I believe that it has become very clear to you what identifying unclear pronoun references and clearing them. So, in this way, there will be in the question paper masculine gender used for feminine gender, or feminine gender used for masculine gender. Singular pronoun will be used for plural and vice versa. So, dear students, now let us look at the passage here. Let us read the passage first. Teaching is a profession who is very challenging. If you notice here, the pronoun is a personal pronoun who. This pronoun we generally use for referring to any conscious being or any person. So, but the subject here is teaching. It is here the subject is an abstract noun, not a person. So, this pronoun doesn't match with the subject teaching. So, it is not clear. We have identified their pronoun, but we have to clear it. So, what can we do? We can change it. Now, this pronoun is clear because this which is used for any inanimate object, inanimate object, or to refer to anything or any little child or any animal of lower kind. So now it is. I hope it is clear to you. Now, line number second. I like teaching because you like working with children. Dear students, if you look here, so that I and you doesn't match because it is also pronoun, so we should follow this pronoun should be clear. It is not clear, so I will be used for I. So if I write here I, then it's clear. I like working with children. Now let us look at line number 3. But my father goes there. It only brings honor, not money. That's fine. There is no pronoun to identify or to clear. Line number 3. I cannot agree with her. With whom? That means with father. Here, but her, the pronoun refers to a woman, but father is a man, so it is not clear. So I have to clear it. If I write it, him, now it is clear. They want me to look after their business. They, who wants? They or father. If you think for some time, we can understand that it is my father. So this pronoun doesn't match the subject. Earlier, we already have talked about father. So if I write here, father, then it is clear. There is clear. Father wants me to look after maybe their business. No, we can use it here. Either his business or our business. Then this pronoun will be clear. If I write our business. So by the time I hope what is the topic, what the topic is very clear to you, and remember that this topic carries only 5 marks for you. So you have to find out 5 pronoun references from the passage. Don't get confused, there may be more than 5 or 6 pronouns. For example, eat. This pronoun, eat. You need not change it because what it refers to is very clear. Because I like working with children, but my father goes there. It only brings honor, but not enough money. So what it means is very clear to you. So we don't need to change it. But you have to be very careful which pronoun you should identify, which pronoun you should clear. It is very important. If you mark wrong pronouns and clear wrong pronoun, you will lose mark. So you ask me questions, sir, how can we do that correctly? I'd like to suggest to you, practice, practice and practice from your textbook. And now let me talk about the format of the answer. How should you answer? Remember that you have to find out the lines where the pronouns, those need to be identified and clear. Then write the lines and change the particular pronoun, clear it and underline it. Or if you can write the whole passage, that is better. So up to this today, and I hope to be before you again with this topic. We'll practice another 2 or more classes on this topic, and then I think you'll be very clear with the topic. So please write down some homework for you. This is question number 8. The homework of board question of 2017. Board question, you practice the 8 pronoun references question from there, from board question of 2017. I hope it will be further clear to you. So dear student, thank you very much for watching this class. I hope you will enjoy and understand the topic. And stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.